We are done with these questions, and the next question is plus minus. We will see this question, which is 0.2. But the constraint it is giving, when you want to print the output must write plus minus ARR. AR is a list of elements which we have. If it is greater than 0, yes, P count will be incremented. If less than 0, a method called as round. Here you can see the method where if there are 8 elements where 4 are positive numbers, you can write 4 out of 8 you need. When it is divided, how many precisions you need to have, so that you need to mention here. We will try to execute this. Run the code. Yes, success. Submit the code. All the given 11 test cases are passed. So that's what we have written the code perfect.